In this video, we're going to be looking at how the top sites on the internet are using pop-up windows to explode their mailing lists and get new subscribers every day. And in the last video, I mentioned Opt-in Monster, and it was co-created by my good friend Syed Bulky, and I definitely recommend the plugin to everyone. And to see how it works, all we need to do is try and leave the site, and we're going to see this big pop-up window come up right here. So all you would do is put in your information here. You can plug in an email address, and then it would send you over to the next page where you would get your free ebook, and you are good to go. So let's see how other sites are using pop-up windows just like this, and not all of them are going to be Opt-in Monster. Just take them as examples. So I'm going to go through a big list, probably around 15 different sites, and you'll get a good idea of how you can use it with your site as well. So here we have johnchow.com, and here's his. I showed this in the previous one. This is to get his free Ultimate Online Profit ebook. You would just throw your email address and name in there, send me the book. Concept is pretty much the same, but let's see how different sites are also using this. Here we have shoemoney.com, a big internet marketing blog, and his thing is talking about how he's made money and made a lot of successful case studies through his use with Zappos, Amazon, and Facebook. So you would sign up to his the same way, and he has a nice call to action here that says, I want millions of dollars now. And if you don't want it, you just click on no thanks, Jeremy, I have enough money. So here's another site, WP Beginner. It's all about WordPress training, and it says, do you want to learn WordPress? Get free WordPress videos, plugins, and other useful resources. And making it really attractive and good looking, that's going to grab a lot of people's attention too. And here's one from quicksprout.com. That's Neil Patel's site. The step-by-step guide to monster traffic generation. Yes or no, that's pretty simple. So if you click yes, it's going to come up with another form, and that's going to let you put your email address in there, and then you're going to get his free traffic generation guide. And here's another site at bloggingcage.com, and this one's also quite simple. It grabs your attention. It looks almost like the Matrix. Do you want the green pill or the red pill? So do you want to learn blogging and make money online? Yes or no? You click yes, and then it's going to come up with more information for you to fill out. So this is another pretty cool setup that they have. Here's another site at socialtriggers.com. This one's very in your face, and it probably converts extremely well. Want to unlock access to a free book, and he gives away his free book, How to Get Your First 5,000 Subscribers Free. Unlock access now or no thanks. So again, you click unlock access now, and it sends you right over to put your email address in. Entrepreneur on Fire, one of the most popular podcasts on the internet. Top 12 resources for top entrepreneurs. That one is dead simple and easy. Just throw your info in there and you get it. Here's one that I've been split testing on bloggingtips.com. I have another video about that as well. And that's just running off of Opt-in Monster. So that's another great example. Here's a great looking pop-up from Lewis Howes. And he has a blog where he does internet marketing and talks about himself and what he's done over the years. And this one's not created with Opt-in Monster. It's actually quite custom. You can tell by the way it looks. And you just put in your email address there and sign up for greatness. And another site that looks just like the Lewis Howes version is this one from Melanie Duncan. It's very photogenic and it's right in your face. So you get to put in your email address, your name, and then you get signed up to get free tips for money making online and spending less time working. And here's another one from socialmediaexaminer.com, and they actually have two, because when you attempt to leave their site, this is going to come up. And it's actually a lot of text here. I wouldn't think this works well, but I'm sure they've been split testing. So if you close that one out, you're actually going to see this other one here that they have on their site as well. And they have a massive audience, and you can see they have over 297,000 readers through Aweber. So they have two forms that they're both trying out, so I'm sure that's working well for them. Another big traffic site is Search Engine Journal, and theirs is pretty simple as well. Join 25,000 marketers and counting. Don't miss out. Get your weekly fix from Search Engine Journal and receive a free ebook. I would probably throw a picture in there to see if it converts better, but that's what they have, so that might be working. And here's another site, and they've used Opt-in Monster, and they've pretty much made it custom for them, and it looks pretty good. So finally something that makes sense. They have these nice title tags. They tell you what you're going to learn, and they have a picture of the ebook. So creating something really custom that looks like that is going to work well for your site too. And we have another one here. This one's from bloggingwizard.com. This one's pretty simple. Get my best blogging strategies for free and grow your traffic by 425%. And this one only asks for email address. They don't even bother with name. So the less fields you have that someone needs to fill out, you're going to have higher conversions. Here's another one that we can look at. Finally, we see one that's outside of the internet marketing niche because other sites are actually using this too. So this one says, for a limited time only, get our 1-day juice detox guide for free. So you can totally use these pop-up windows and newsletter generation methods way outside of the internet marketing industry. So no matter what type of site you have, you should be testing all these different methods out to see what works best. And the last pop-up example that we have for you is an Illinois website. It has everything about their state. And this one just says it's time to put the people first. And it's pretty much a newsletter for people to join their site. So again, another example of a site using pop-ups and newsletters outside of the internet marketing space. So no matter how you're trying to get people to your site or what you're talking about, you need to implement a newsletter. And I definitely recommend a pop-up window like Opt-in Monster.